Namaste children, welcome to today's class. So in the previous session we discussed about multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Now we are going to discuss multiplying a polynomial by another polynomial. Here two cases we will discuss. One, multiplying a binomial by another binomial means two binomials, multiplication of two binomials. The second case it is multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Binomial and a trinomial. How do we multiply these cases? We will discuss in this class. Not only this, with a binomial with more than 3 terms, that is 4 terms, 5 terms, especially with the 5 terms, especially with the 6 terms, like this also we will use the same concept. The more than 3 terms are also there, we use the same concept. Now, we will discuss here with an example. X minus 4 is a binomial. X and minus 4 are 2 terms. 2x plus 3 it is also a binomial. How do we multiply two binomials? Is we will multiply each and every term of one binomial with each and every term of another binomial. Each and every term of this binomial is multiplied with each and every term of the other, that is the second binomial, 2x plus 3. How it is? Yes, x is multiplied with what? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Then what it is? Minus 4. With minus 4 multiply 2x plus 3 and simplify. Now again what it is? A monomial by a binomial. What we discussed in the previous class. A monomial by a binomial. How do you multiply? Yes, x into 2x plus x into 3. That is 2x is multiplied by x, 3 is multiplied by x. That is each and every term of this binomial is multiplied by x. Similarly, minus 4 into 2x minus 4 into 3. Each and every term of the binomial is multiplied by minus 4. Now simplify this. Plus into plus plus. 1 into 2 it is 2. X into x it is x square. Plus into plus plus. 1 into 3 3. 3 into x it is 3x. Minus into plus it is minus. 4 into 2 it is 8. 8x. Minus into plus minus. 4 into 3 it is 12. 4 3s are 12. Now after multiplying, if you find any like terms, you can add or you can subtract this, we can simplify them. 2x square and plus 3x minus 8x, these two are like terms and we can simplify them. Yes, when we simplify, what we get here is, this is 2x square plus 3x minus 8x. So 2x square, it is unlike term, right, as it is, plus 3x minus 8x. So subtracting their coefficients. 8 minus 8 is 5 and 8 is having the minus sign, which is greater number. So you get minus 5x minus 12. 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is the resultant product. Now we see the second question here, that is x minus 5 is multiplied with 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y. Now multiply each and every term of 3x plus 5y expression with each and every term of x minus y expression. So now what we get is x is multiplied with what? 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 and with minus 5 multiplying the whole expression, it is 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y. Now simplify here. Directly you can do it. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 3, 3, x into x is x square, 3x square, plus into plus, plus 1 into 5, 5, x into y, xy, 5xy, again with minus, minus into bracket gets into, and here plus 3x, minus into plus, minus, 1 into 3 it is 3, y into x, yx or xy, both are same xy. Then plus into minus, minus 1 into 5, 5y. Y into y is y square minus 5y square. Still we can simplify this. So when we simplify this, what we get? Identify any like terms. Yes, here we have plus 5xy and minus 3xy, both are like terms, and we can simplify this. So that is subtract 3 from 5 because both are unlike different signs are there, positive and negative. Subtract the smaller number from the greater number and take the greater number sign. So we get plus 5x y minus 3xy is 2xy we get. Now therefore it is 3x square plus 2xy minus 5y square is the result. 3x square, and simplifying this to we get 2xy minus 5y square is the final product of x minus 5 into 3x plus 5y. What we did, children, here is we have multiplied every term of one binomial with every term of other binomial. Similarly, the same concept is also applicable for multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Yes, a plus 7 is a binomial, a square plus 3a plus 5 is a trinomial. So what is the concept? Each and every term of one polynomial is multiplied with each and every term of the other polynomial. That is, so here what we get, a plus 7 is multiplied with what? It is multiplied with a square plus 3a plus 5. That is, a plus 7, a is one term and 7 is one term. So a is multiplied with the trinomial ax square plus 3a plus 5. Again with plus 7 multiplied the same trinomial ax square plus 3a plus 5. Now simplify each and every term of this trinomial is multiplied with a. That is, a into a square plus a into 3a plus a into 5. Again with 7 plus 7 into a square plus 7 into 3a plus 7 into 5. 7 into 5. Now simplify a into a square. That is plus into plus plus. 1 into 1 it is 1. A into a square is a cube. A means it is a power 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. A cube. Then plus into plus plus. 1 into 3 3. A into a is a square. 3a square. Next term plus into plus is plus. 1 into 5 5 into a 5a. Then again plus into plus plus. 7 into 1 7. 7a square. Then plus into plus plus. 7 into 3 7 3 are 21. 21a. Only a is there, so we get a. Then plus into plus plus. 7 into 5 7 5 are 35. Now you check any like terms are there. Yes, here we have 3a square and 7a square. These two are like terms. We can add up. What we get, 3a square plus 7a square. Both are with positive integers. Add them. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10a square and 5a. 21a plus 5a plus 21a is there. Both are like terms. Add them. We get 5a plus 21a is 26a. Therefore, what is the result which we get? A cube. 3a square plus 7a square is 10a square. 5a plus 21a. 5a plus 21a is 26a plus 35. This is the product. Like this, we will multiply a binomial by a trinomial. Trinomial is having 3 terms, not only 3 terms. If you find more than 3 terms, that is 4 terms, 5 terms or 6 terms, we apply the same concept to multiply those expressions also. So what is the key point which you have to remember? Under this concept, we will multiply each and every term of one polynomial with each and every term of the other polynomial, and we will simplify. If we find the like terms, we will simplify, and if you find any unlike terms, we will write them as it is, so that we get the simplified form of the product. Is it clear, children? With this unit, we will discuss exercise number 9.4. Now, we will discuss exercise number 9.4, first bit. Multiply the binomials. That the third one, 2.5l minus 0.5m and 2.5l plus 0.5m. Two binomials. The fifth one is 2pq plus 3q squared and 3pq minus 2q squared. So we will discuss the first and third one. So third one, what it is? 2.5l minus 0.5m is multiplied with 2.5l plus 0.5m. Now each and every term of first binomial is multiplied by the each and every term of the second binomial or vice versa. That is 2.5l. With that, multiply 2.5l plus 0.5m. 0.5m. Again with the second term of the first binomial is minus 0.5m is multiplied with 2.5l plus 0.5m. 0.5m. Now multiply. So plus into plus is plus 2.5 into 2.5. 25, remove the point. 25 into 25, 25 square. How much, children? Yes, it is 625. And keep the decimal point after 2 digits, because here we have 1 digit is there and here we have 1 digit. Total 2 digits are there. Keep the decimal point after 2 digits. We get 6.25. Now variables. L into L it is L square. Then plus into plus 2.5 into 0.5. Ignore the points and multiply. 25 5s are 125, and again 2 digits are there after decimal point. So keep the decimal point after 2 digits. We get 1.25. Now L into M it is LM. L into M is LM. Then minus into plus minus 0.5 into 2.5. That is 25 into 5. We get 125. And keep the decimal point after 2 digits. We get 1.25. M into L or L into M it is LM. Then minus into plus minus 0.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 square. So we get 0.25. Keep the decimal point after 2 digits. Multiply them and you can write M into M it is M square. Now observe any like terms are there. We can add or we can subtract. So 6.25 L square. There is no like term for this. But plus 1.25 Lm minus 1.25 Lm. Both are like terms. And we can simplify them. When we simplify them, what we get? Subtract same numbers. Plus 1.25 minus 1.25, we get 0. So both are cancelled. Now minus 0.25 M square is also another like term. So the result is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. So this is the product of the third two binomials. Next, the fifth one, it is 2pq plus 3q square. 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. Minus 2q square. Yes. So 2pq is multiplied by the second binomial plus 3q square is multiplied by the second binomial and simplified. That is 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square minus 2q square. Now what we get? Multiply and simplify. Plus into plus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Then multiply the variables. P into P it is P square. Q into Q it is Q square. Then again plus into minus 2 into 2 4. P here there is no P, so we get just P, and Q into Q square, that is QQ. Again plus into plus 3 into 3 9, and here q square into q is there, but here p is there. P into 1 it is p, q square into q it is q, p q, again plus into minus, minus 3 into 2 6, q square into q square it is q to the power of 4. Now identify any like terms. If you see here, minus 4pq plus 9pq, both are like terms. So simplify these two. So subtract 4 from 9, we get 5, and 9 is the greater number, it has plus sign, so we get 5pq. So this is, it is unlike term, right as it is 6p square q square, and by simplifying this we get plus 5pq minus 6q to the power of 4. So like this we will simplify after multiplying each and every term of the binomial. Clear children? Yes. A similar kind of questions even we have in the second bit. We will discuss. Find the product of two binomials. Here the first one it is 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. We have to multiply. So multiply this with 5 with 3 plus x, and with minus 2x multiply 3 plus x and simplify. Yes, plus into plus plus, 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, plus into plus plus, 5 into 1 5, with x it is 5x, minus into plus minus, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6x, minus into plus is minus, 2 into 1 2, x into x is x square. So anything is the common terms, like terms are there, we can simplify. 15 plus 5x minus 6x, both are like terms. So when we simplify, what you get children? Yes, minus x minus 2x square. 15 minus x minus 2x square is the product of 5 minus 2x and 3 plus x. Now this third one, you see third question. Here we have, that is a square plus b into a plus b square. So a square is multiplied by the second binomial, that is a plus b square, plus b is multiplied the second term of the first binomial with the second binomial, a plus b square. Simplify now. Plus into plus plus, 1 into 1 1, a square into a is a cube, plus into plus plus, 1 into 1 1, a square into b square. Here there is no other variable of same variable a square and b square, again with b, plus into plus plus, 1 into 1 1, b into a is a into b, ab, plus into plus plus, b into b square it is b cube. Now if you find any like terms, you can add a cube plus a square b square plus ab plus b cube. No like term is there, so it is in the simplified form. Like this we will multiply the binomial by another binomial. Now we will discuss the third bit from exercise number 9.4. Simplify the first question. It is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So the first one it is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So first to simplify these two binomials, multiply these two binomials, to that product add 25. So how do we multiply? X square is multiplied with x plus 5 into, that is to this product, again minus 5 is multiplied with the x plus 5, minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Now it is multiplied, plus into plus plus, 1 into 1 1, x square into x it is x cube, plus into plus plus, 1 into 5 it is 5 plus 5, x square into 1 it is x square, plus 5x square, then minus into plus minus, 5 into 1 5 and x 5x, minus into plus minus into plus it is minus, 5 into 5 25 plus 25. Now if you find any like terms, you simplify and you can write. Here we have x cube here, plus 5x square, no right term, and minus 5x, minus 25 plus 25. Both when we simplify, what we get? 0. Means both are cancelled and we get 0. Now this is the product of that first sum. Now see here the fourth one. Here what we have? A plus b is multiplied with c minus d. To this product, again the product of a minus b is multiplied with c plus d. Yes, it is plus c plus d. To this add 2 into ac plus bd. 2 into ac plus bd. Now you see here, how do you multiply? First simplify this to binomials, then simplify this, then simplify that, and finally we get our result. That is, a is multiplied with c minus d plus b is multiplied with c minus d. Again these two, here it is plus a is multiplied with c plus d and minus b is multiplied with c plus d. And here directly we can multiply here 2 into ac. 2 is here plus 2 is there, plus 2 is multiplied with the ac plus 2 is multiplied with bd plus 2bd. Now simplify, that is equals to plus into plus plus 1 into 1 1 a into c ac plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1 a into d ad plus into plus plus 1 into 1 1 b into c is bc plus bc plus into minus minus b into d is bd, then plus into plus plus a into c it is ac plus into plus it is plus a into d it is ad plus ad plus ad, then with minus b, minus into plus minus b into c it is bc minus into plus it is minus b into d it is bd, then 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into ac plus 2 into 1 2 into bd it is 2bd. Now this you have to simplify. So what we get when you simplify? Identify any right terms. Here it is, write all the right terms at one place. So here we have ac, start with ac, and here we have ac, and here we have 2ac is there. So what we can write? ac plus ac plus 2ac, right? Regrouping the terms like terms. Then you take next term minus ad, and this is plus ad. So do you find any ad? No. Here it is minus ad plus ad, minus ad plus ad. Then plus bc minus bc. Only two terms are there. Plus bc minus bc. Then what we have? Minus bd plus 2bd is there. So minus bd plus 2bd, right? Regroup the terms. Then anything is left over here is plus ad minus ad, all are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 terms are there. Check whether you have 10 terms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, all the terms we wrote in the regrouped form. It is easy to simplify. ac plus 2ac all are positive. Add their coefficients. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 is 4ac. Then minus ad plus ad, both are like terms with different signs with same coefficients. Minus 1 plus 1 0, so both are cancelled, we get 0. Then what we have? Plus bc minus bc, again both are like terms with same same coefficients with different signs. Plus bc minus bc, both are cancelled, we get 0. Then minus bd, we can add these two. So what? Same signs with same coefficients. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2bd plus 2bd, both will be cancelled. Minus 2bd plus 2bd. Again you can simplify. 4ac minus 2bd plus 2bd, both are cancelled, you get 0. Therefore, what is its value? Final product is, after simplification, we get 4ac. 4 easy. Now you see the sixth question. One more question here we have x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So what we get is x is multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square. Then with plus y multiply plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Simplify now. Plus into plus plus 1 into 1 1. X into x square it is x cube. Plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1. X into x it is x square and y is there. X square into y it is xy. Y is a different variable, write it as it is. Then plus into plus plus 1 into 1 it is 1. X into y square it is xy square plus xy square. Next plus into plus plus y into x square or x into y square, what we get is plus x square y plus x square y. Then plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1 x y into y it is y square x y square. Then plus into plus plus y into y square it is y cube. Now we need to simplify this. Identify the like terms. Minus x square y plus x square y. Both are like terms with the same coefficients and with the different signs. Minus 1 and plus 1. So they are cancelled. We get 0. We get 0 when simplify. Plus xy square minus xy square. Both are like terms with the same coefficient with the different signs. Again on simplification we get 0. Now what is left here is x cube plus y cube. Therefore what we can write? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equals to x cube plus y cube. So like this we will multiply binomial by a binomial, binomial by a trinomial, that is a polynomial by another polynomial, and we will simplify. Is it clear, children, what we discussed today? Thank you very much.